Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Subaru STI. Let's start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a long, horizontal rectangle for the main body, making it about 3 times as long as it is tall. Then, place a slightly smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin. Connect these two primary shapes with gentle, curved lines to begin forming the iconic silhouette of the STI. This initial step is crucial for establishing correct proportions. Now, let's refine the body with some distinctive STI features. Start by drawing the prominent hood scoop, a trapezoidal shape that is a hallmark of the STI. Next, sketch the side skirts and the front bumper, adding definition and depth to the car's profile. Don't forget to define those flared wheel arches, which contribute significantly to its aggressive stance. Finally, add the iconic rear wing, positioned high on the trunk lid. Moving on, let's focus on the wheels, windows, and lights. Draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced along the body. Inside each wheel, add smaller circles for the rims and hint at the brake calipers. Next, sketch the distinctive front headlights and rear taillights, which are typically angular and sharp. Finally, define the outlines of all the windows, including the large windshield and the side windows, giving the car its clear visibility. For our final slide, we'll add the finishing touches and bring your drawing to life with shading. Carefully erase all the initial construction lines to clean up your artwork. Then, add subtle details such as door handles, side mirrors, and the iconic STI badges. Now, apply shading to create depth and highlight the car's contours. Use darker tones under the car and in recessed areas to give it a realistic, 3-dimensional appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.